Hey guys, this is Everyday Life. And flying planes are amazing fun. I love being in the air with the birds and the clouds. It is amazing. It feels great. You just have to experience flying planes yourself. Take a discovery flight. They're so fun to do. It's just like time stands still. I've been taking pilot training. I have 2.3 hours and I'm going on up to 40 to get my pilot's license so I can fly the friendly airwaves of sky. I'm really excited about that. I love flying. I have a few clips to show you guys of me taking off in the planes. I'm gonna have so much more pilot flying stuff coming, maybe some stalls and some steep turns and all that awesome pilot talk. It feels so much different inside of the plane than it actually looks on the outside, because on the outside looks like a clean, perfect takeoff, but on the inside, still clean and perfect, but it just feels like I'm shaking and wobbling around everywhere. I feel like I'm doing this in the air. I feel like I'm about to hit the ground. Mayday, mayday, niner, niner, tango, kilo alpha.
Then it took the plane off. Here's Kenny taking off. That's Kenny's first takeoff. Good job, Kenny Clay.
If you like skits, if you like just random videos, or if you just like everything that I've been doing, just keep up what I've been doing, or just give me some feedback of what I should do. Yeah, so if you did not understand the contents of this video, you can either eat or go to bed. Peace.